beep.
Aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Should we go inside?
Yeah.
Ready, Emma? Ready?
Wow.
Wow! Do you remember this, Emma? So we've been on board about 10 minutes. The place is an utter tip. I've just reconnected the batteries because, for those of you who remember, we have a problem with the batteries at the moment. There's a parasitic drain. So last time I came on the boat, the house batteries were down to 3.9 volts. So before I left this time, I disconnected all the batteries. I've just checked them, they're all around about 13 volts now. So fortunately, the 4 new AGM batteries that we bought, they were quite a good deal, they were quite a good price, but they were still expensive. They've not been ruined by that 3.9 volts episode. Thank goodness. Emma's happy as Larry, aren't you, Emma? You've been climbing around already. Yeah, it's going to be quite a handful, I think, but that's all par for the course, isn't it? What does the caterpillar do to the apple? What does it? You don't eat it. Oh.
Mama.
Go for a shower, Emma. What did your duck do? Quack quack. Well, we've been on the boat for quite a while now and we've been very busy. We're concentrating mostly on jobs that make our life easier at the moment. You already know that we fitted a fridge. We used to have an ice box and we turned that into a fridge. So I'll put a link to that here if you're interested in doing that. But that's made a massive difference, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely a lifesaver. We couldn't have survived without one. With them, you know, with all the food you need to prepare for her and also for us, so it's brilliant.
Really good.
Yeah.
Other jobs we've been doing, we have fitted 5 double plug sockets to the boat in all different parts of the boat because previously we were running cables across and you know it's dangerous and it's a pain in the neck.
Yeah.
So now that we can just plug things into the boat anywhere we like, that's really handy. I've also fitted our inverter now, so whenever we're away from shore power we can just turn that on and then we get the 230 volts from the 12 volts of the batteries. I had to fit a rotary switch into the system so that we can switch. Basically the inverter powers all the plug sockets in the boat, all the 5 double plug sockets, and to avoid problems when you've got shore power on and not the inverter and vice versa, you need a rotary switch. So I fitted that, which I'll show you now. And yeah, that all went well, but it was a big job in the sense that it's quite a simple thing to do, but when you're living on a boat with a baby and when you have to lift up all the cushion covers in one part of the boat, I was running cables all the way around the boat, so you lifted up loads of covers and emptying things out, and then you're running a cable, and then you've got to do the same in a different part of the boat, you're moving things around. It's just a pain in the neck, but we got there in the end, so that's good.
Then we've done many other things, you know, like small improvement, like putting a lot of hooks around the boat, and it seems silly, but it makes such a big difference, you know, just for everyday life. We emptied the cabin.
Yeah, our aft cabin was like the storage area, so we've emptied that and it's now a cabin again.
Yeah, so we had to find space for all the stuff we were inside the cabin.
Yeah.
So we've been organising stuff with a lot of boxes. We still have a lot to do to improve, but I mean, I'm quite happy at the moment with our system.
Eventually on a boat it's nice to have a place for everything and everything in its place. That's what you want to achieve in the end.
Yeah.
We're not there yet, but as we go through time, we are organising different areas of the boat, and we're getting towards that kind of final end game. We've got the ROV stowed away now in a place that it can stay safely while we're at sea, and also the £30 Singer sewing machine that I bought, that's also stowed away nicely. Yeah. So yeah, we're just kind of making progress.
Yeah, we've been like cleaning the oven.
Yeah,
so now...
again, that sounds like a little thing, but it took like about 4 hours of scrubbing in amongst Emma duties. We've also replaced the gas hoses. They were 26 years old, that's been done, and the oven and cooker are all good now.
Also the cockpit shower.
Oh yeah, cockpit shower was broken, so that's fixed now. And the biggest job of them all has been the solar panels. So we now have 400 watts of solar fitted to the boat on this structure that I designed and made from scratch. You're going to hear a lot more about these on this channel, so if you're interested in doing this job on your boat and saving yourself thousands and thousands, then make sure you're subscribed and you'll hear more about that in the future. So we've been making a lot of progress, and on that front we are happy. However, it has not been easy at all.
No.
In fact, to be honest with you, it's been really stressful. Really
challenging,
stressful.
A lot more than what we expected.
Yeah. I mean, doing the refit on the boat last year when Emma was a baby, that was hard. That was very hard work. Especially the videos made it, you know, 40 times harder than it would have otherwise been, to be perfectly honest with you. But it was doable. However, doing it with a toddler, oh my word.
It's totally different world. So
yeah, Emma's very mobile. She can climb up the companionway steps into the cockpit if we let her, which we don't. She's just all over the place. So she's got a very strong character.
Yeah, which is brilliant, but it doesn't make life very easy for us.
So we're getting good at multitasking and juggling 50 different things all at the same time.
Yeah.
So it's not a very nice day today. It's windy, isn't it, Emma? And it's raining.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean we can't have fun, does it? You might be right, Emma. It may well be that. Go, go, go!
Wait.
That's an ant. It's an ant.
Oddio, che emozione!
Are you cleaning the table, Emma?
Si.
Oh, good girl.
So it's been a proper challenge, and the weather didn't cooperate as well.
That's an understatement. To be honest with you, I think Rossella has been going absolutely crazy because it's 30 degrees and sunshine at the minute in Italy, and here today's lovely, but it has been a really poor summer so far. It's been really difficult. And you know, for example, I'll come get my tools out, it takes me 15 minutes, and then if it starts raining, it takes ages to put them away. It's just very inefficient when it's on and off like that. So it's been a real challenge, believe me.
Yeah, well, we're very happy to be here in Gillingham Marina because it's a perfect location, perfect atmosphere, perfect
everybody's really friendly. There's a chandlery here on site which has got loads of stuff that I need for doing jobs, so instead of spending half an hour to go and get something, it just takes 2 minutes.
Yeah, and also me and Emma, we can walk to a beautiful park nearby, supermarket, so it's
just perfect.
A great choice.
We made a good decision in staying here rather than moving on elsewhere.
Yeah.
We had another issue, which was our main camera broke down. So we've been struggling with that. Basically, I hit it once with a seacock whilst I was filming videos for you guys, and ever since then it's been dodgy, so it finally gave up the ghost and I couldn't repair it this time, so we had to buy a new one. So our income from YouTube is minuscule. It's honestly that nowhere near covers the breakages and things of cameras and stuff like that. So if it wasn't for our patrons, we would not be making these videos anymore. That's just a fact. So thank you very much to our patrons. If you want to join, there's lots of benefits there, lots of perks and rewards, so go and check it out and just do your bit and help us keep making these videos. Speaking of patrons, we went out sailing. I say we, I went out sailing with a patron. He was going out in his boat and he invited me out for a sail with him, so I'll show you some shots of that now. Well, this is an unexpected thing, but one of our patrons, Ricky, has invited me out for a sail today. So here we are, we're going out sailing. Thanks very much, Ricky. We'll see you again soon. We were lucky enough to have Rossella's parents fly over from Italy to come and stay with us for a week, so that was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, also for my birthday.
Yeah.
So it was perfect.
Happy birthday, darling.
Auguri, auguri! Tanti auguri a te e la torta a me!
We don't get to spend as much time with our parents as we'd like to, so it's very nice. When we get the opportunity, we do try and spend time with them. So Rossella's parents were here, and right now my mum is here with her partner.
Roast pig from the sweet piggy garden, and the sweet piggy went wee all the way home.
So it's back to work for us now. We've got lots of other jobs going on. I'm going to be trying to get hot water from our engine so that we can have hot showers when we're out at anchor. So if that interests you, again, make sure you're subscribed. And we're just going to be, we're going to be making as much helpful content for you as we possibly can.
Yeah. So see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.
Thank you. Ready? We had another issue which was we had another issue which was yeah. That's the food that's burnt while we've been talking on camera. The food is burnt.
No, it's not burnt.
Multitasking.
It's exploded.
Alright, it's not burnt, but it's come out of the pan.
So we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, you say it, okay.
So see you in the next video.